Rolling in on the 500s here at the Superstore. Got plenty to cover. Way too many. But we're just gonna start off. We're over in the brothers section over here right now.
Roll that beautiful bean for me.
Yeah. We got wind chill is 18 shots, $42.99. Got open fire, $44.99, 33 shots.
Sweet spot.
$34.99, 30 shots. You got hooligan, it's 49 shots, $32.99. Cool company, it's $39.99, 19 shots. You got shotgun wedding,
Oh crap.
it's $50. Yeah, 36 shots. It's 210 shots for combat zone, $100.
Amped.
Amped is 37 shots, $44.99. Big and bold. I've shot that one before. It is nuts. $79.99 is 18 shots. He's a big boy. Neon Dreams. It's $42.99, 30 shots. Got Wicked Cool. It's $54.99, 49 shots.
That's it, right?
There you go. 37 shots. $50. If you weren't gonna do it, I was gonna do it. No one's gonna understand that, but that's okay. $49.99 Air Boss. It's 37 shots. I haven't actually seen that one yet, so this is something that needs to be pulled out. It looks like. Yep, that's Major Combat. 129. Whole bunch of shots in that one. I know that. High output here. It's $39.99 or $33.99. Smoke Show, 45 shots, $46. Got Bombshell, $35.99, 49 shots. Timeless Beauty, $35.99, 49 shots. Got the Drive-In, Sky High, 50 shots, $35.99. Parrots Prattle, just did this one on the channel. It was a great cake, $45.99. It's 36 shots. Light Brigade, $27.99 for 42 shots. Everyone's favorite brand that no one actually cares about. We're just gonna skip it. Blonde Joke, $40, 36 shots.
Get gorgeous.
Geiger Gorgeous. It's $43.99, 38 shots. Hella Sweet. It's $40, 32 breaks, 16 shots, so it's double break cake. Saturday Night Special, 36 shots, $40. Oh God, I did that and my eye is having a seizure. They got plenty of these. High Flutin'. This has been actually the big cake this year. Everyone wants them. $34.99, 49 shots. I might actually be getting one, but I can't tell you guys what I'm getting, so I'm not going to. Atom Bomb, $39.99, 36 shots. You got Hydrogen Bomb right next to it, $39.99, 36 shots. Then you got Nutrigen,
Spit it out.
yeah, Neutron Bomb, $40, 36 shots. And then the other bomb is Cobalt, and that is $40 as well, 36 shots. Hit the Road Jack. They have a lot of them. $34.99, 49 shots. Be probably grabbing this one too. If you haven't checked this one out on the channel, this one actually went bat crap crazy. It's probably got over 1,500 views by now. Probably be grabbing that. Big box of bombs. If you buy wholesale, you've seen this before. $160 for all 4 of them. That's all the bombs right there. If you haven't actually seen them, they're all 36 shots. Otherwise, you can buy them for, what was it, $40 a pop? Yeah, $40 a pop. So it's about the same. But Bloody Soul.
We got a few.
Yeah, this one we just did on the channel as well from Do Re Mi. 42 shots. It is $42.99. Also, on all the new demo videos, I'm going to be saying the price of every single cake that I have or what I paid. Not not necessarily going to say where I got it from just because, but yeah, a lot of the stuff on the channel now is going to have price on it, so that way you can see what you can get for your money. Another stuff from Do Re Mi, Angry Angel. This one was done the same day this one was done. Fantastic brakes. This one was just gorgeous. 25 shots, $34.99. Great cake all the way around. Lovely fan. Got Gossip Maker by Do Re Mi, 30 bucks, 20 shots. Plenty of them.
Sweetie.
His Sweetie Club, $31.99. It is 30 shots from Do Re Mi. And we got Lost Light. This one was also an excellent one that we did on the channel. It's 25 shots. It's 30 bucks. Still got plenty of them. Got Crazy Joker. If you are in the fireworks world and you haven't seen that same exact clown on a different cake, I mean, I've seen them everywhere. There's probably another one somewhere where it's the same damn clown on a different cake. But Crazy Joker, $35.99. Do Re Mi. We got
One Bad Mother.
Yeah, that's fine. Royal Boom, 12 shots, 30 bucks. That's a new one. I might grab that. Golden Throne, $35.99, 36 shots. Got some finale cakes here. USA Conqueror, $129, 192 shots by window. Ballets. Amazing Ballet, 100 bucks, 220 shots from Winda. Got Sky Ballet, $69.99. Nice big old cake. And then Neon Sky Candy. It's 120 for, how many shots is that? It's got to be on the side, right? Yep, 135. And then that's all those. And then this I saw from far away. I don't know what it is, but I kind of want it. Just because it looks so cool. 112 shots. It's $139.99 from Dominator. This was not here last time I was here. The bores on it are somewhat small, but there's some bigger ones too I can feel.
No, I'm not riding in the back of the thing.
No, you'll be fine. I might not get it this time. But yeah, Sky High from Dominator.
139.
Big old boy. What else we got?
Star Chaser.
Star Chaser. $69.99, 115 shots. I don't know who makes that. Somebody makes it. Who's Your Daddy? It's 129. There's 200 something shots, I believe. Nope, 183. 183 shots. This Is Our Country, 179 shots. 109.
You gotta step back and get the wall, dude.
And then, yeah, I will. We Will Rock You, 119. It's $119.99. That is 220 shots.
There's a nice small one here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get these ones. So this is Insane Clowns. And this one I've shot too from Kingbird. 220 shots. Shot that one. That one was great, and that one is 129. We got Epic Neon down here. That is $124.99 for a shot count. 220 shots. And we got Unhinged, 158 shots. My Big Fireworks is $109. And then we got this one right here, Fear in Enemy's Eyes. 474 shots. Holy crap.
For the small fee of $2.99.
Yeah, $300. That's a big boy. And they have a lot of them.
If You got to get America.
America. Yeah, it's a pretty big flag. And then, yeah. Got some No Abs American Anthem, $100 from Raccoon. And then we got One Bad Mother, 9 3-inch shots. That is $89.99. Got a whole mess of them too. And then Crocodile Hunter right here, Pyro Predator. It is $100. And we're gonna end this video here because it's already over 10 minutes and I try to limit my videos past that. So see you guys on the next one.